Would you eat this burger for dinner? Keep in mind, you have the opportunity to add your favorite toppings to it. Don't love spend money too much. Come at me show you how to make it. We're outside, so catch up the fire. You know why? No cursing oil or no gasoline. All I need a piece of cotton and some Vaseline. Now me can't find my cotton, but me have these dry up Lysol pieces. I had the pack too long and then dry out, so me improvise. Put the Vaseline pan there and set them underneath the coal or the wood. Yes, this work for wood too. Just throw it on the top. Sure you put it under, but leave out a little part where you can light. Use your lighter and light it. You can put some little chips pan there. Just help it catch faster, but trust me, you don't need to put anything on there. It will not go out. Do me a favor. Leave it alone and make it catch. No, especially no Caribbean people no love blow and fan the fire. Just let the fire make it catch as long as you see light. It a go take time to catch, especially if breeze a blow. Or no too impatient. Fire catch up and nice. Throw on your 2 burgers or any amount you want. Remember, you can buy a ground beef and make a burger from scratch. Usually at that me would I do, but me never did that today. Also throw on 2 brats. Once your burger start char, flip it over and you cook it the way you like your burger cook. Some people like it overcooked, some people like it rare. Cook it the way you go enjoy it. Now you can use any burger buns you want, but if you know I don't like store-bought breads, I'm using those little thin ones. Made it cook on one side a little longer, so right as me flip it over, me provolone cheese while the other side I cook. Add any cheese where you want. Once them done cook, all you have to do is build your burger. Like me say, you can put any condiment or any veggies you like on it. Put some ketchup on my bun. You can use butter, mayo, whatever you want. Me toast off my bun too. Then me put on one of the burger. Me added some tomato. Then me put the next burger on top. Added some more ketchup and some hot pepper and just put on the top. This is actually how me like my burger. Me really love lettuce in it. Me never have no lettuce. But I don't like mayo on my burger. I don't like too much and less of vegetables. This perfect for me. I also put some of the provolone cheese in the hot dog bun. Put in my bratwurst. Toast off the bun and melt the cheese. And all I added was ketchup and pepper. And lo and behold, me have a double whopper and a hot dog. And me never visit your favorite fast food place. Now this brat was really nice. But as I said in the beginning, me really struggle to eat store-bought bread. But me mash up the burger. As you see, the bun was thin, but me couldn't eat off the hot dog because the bun was too thick. And child, me outside with my Bougie portable fridge. Needless to say, me no use cooler aka igloo outside anymore. I have a whole fridge. And this perfect for me because when we cook out, me always carry chicken and all those things. And me always have to buy ice to put in an igloo. They have all the fruits and veggie and the ice melt out a bit of water. Just a mess. But mama, TikTok shop sending sis everything. And I love that for me. But master, me just wanted to ask,